Peas green are an adaptable and healthy legume frequently overlooked when cooking. Although many think of peas as an unimportant food item or canned vegetables, they are full of nutrients and have numerous health advantages. They can help boost the immune system, to helping improve the health of your heart. Green peas make a great supplement to your food plan. One of the main reasons why peas from the green variety are beneficial is the amount of nutrients they contain. They're a great source of minerals, vitamins, as well as dietary fiber. 1 cup of cooked peas has around 8 grams of fiber. That's about 1/3 of the daily recommended intake for adults. The high content of fiber helps in regulating digestion and promoting regular bowel movements, which can prevent constipation as well as promoting overall gut well-being. Along with the fiber content, peas from green are also high in vitamins. They're particularly rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is renowned for its anti-inflammatory qualities. 1 cup of peas contains about 60% of the daily dose of this vital vitamin. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that is powerful, that helps protect your body from harmful free radicals while also enhancing the immune system's capacity to combat diseases and infections. Additionally, peas from the green family provide a great food source for vitamin K that plays an important role in bone clotting and blood well-being. Vitamin K is essential to activate specific proteins that are involved in the process of clotting and helps to stop excessive bleeding. Additionally, it aids in healthy growth of bone and mineralization and reduces the chance of fractures and osteoporosis. In addition to vitamins, green peas contain vital minerals like manganese and iron. Iron is essential to produce hemoglobin, which is a protein that is responsible for transferring oxygen through the human body. Insufficient iron levels can cause weakening, fatigue, and impairment in cognitive performance. Manganese on the other side, plays a role in the process of metabolizing amino acids, carbohydrates, as well as cholesterol. Manganese also functions as an antioxidant and protects your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. A different nutrient that is abundant in the green peas is folate, which is a B vitamin which is essential for DNA synthesis as well as cell division. Folate is particularly important in pregnancy as it can prevent birth defects as well as ensuring that the development of the fetus. Folate also plays an important role in the functioning of the brain and mental well-being, since it's required for the creation of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. The green peas aren't just high in nutrients, but they are also very energy efficient. They are a great option for people looking to keep a healthy weight or shed excess weight. The high content of fiber and a low glycemic index can contribute to a feeling of fullness as well as satisfaction, which helps to manage appetite and decrease overall calories consumption. Green peas in your food items is therefore an effective strategy to aid in losing weight. Alongside their nutrient characteristics, they are also a source of advantages for health. Studies have shown that antioxidants in the peas can aid in preventing chronic illnesses like heart disease, as well as certain kinds of cancer. High fiber content in peas is linked to lower risk of developing diseases such as type 2 diabetes, obesity, and colorectal cancer. Additionally, the distinct mixture of nutrients that are found in peas from the green variety makes the peas beneficial to eye health. Zeaxanthin and lutein, antioxidants that are present in large amounts in peas, are absorbed into the retina and protect against macular degeneration caused by age and cataracts. Incorporating green peas into your diet could contribute in maintaining a healthy eye when you get older. In the case of incorporating green peas in your diet, there are a myriad of options. Peas can be eaten as a dish to serve with a meal, cooked, steaming, or boiling, as well as used in stir-fries, soups, salads, or even in smoothies. Peas frozen in the freezer are an easy, healthy option as they are able to retain the majority of their minerals and vitamins even though they are processed. Make sure you simmer them slowly to retain their vivid color and clear texture. Green peas are a nutritious legume with a broad variety of health advantages. They can help boost the immune system, to helping improve eyes and heart health. They are an adaptable and easily accessible ingredient to your food plan. When you plan your meal, make sure to include green peas, the love they merit, and relish the nutritious goodness they provide.